Hello my artist friends! Welcome back to the Maak channel. Today we are going to draw my melody and Kuromi together. We will draw the eyes and nose and the melody's head. Then we will draw her hands and feet and then a strawberry in her hand. Let's go to draw Kuromi. We will draw the eyes and the rest of her face. Next, we will go to her special hand. After that, we will draw her feet and tail. Let's go to coloring. We use a little yellow. For Melody's head, I will use the most beautiful pink. Wow, it's wonderful! We will paint the strawberry with green and red colors. Pink for the skull symbol. We will use black for Kuromi's head and tail. Great! Wait for our next cool videos.